Ever wondered how old a hot water heater is? Here's a quick and easy way to find out with ChatGPT. So the first step is once you're in front of the hot water heater, you want to find the manufacturer's label on the hot water heater. It's usually on the side of the tank or near the top or the bottom. It could be in the middle depending on where they placed it. So next you want to take a photo of the label, make sure nothing is in the way so you have a clear view. And then you want to open ChatGPT on your phone, or you could do this also on the computer, and type the following. Find the make and manufacturing year of this water heater based on the serial number, then upload the photo. And boom, within seconds, ChatGPT will tell you when the hot water heater was made. No need to dig through old paperwork that you may have lost, or to be unsure of when it was. It will tell you within seconds. This is a great realtor hack as well if you're assisting clients and they're not sure, or the listing agent did not provide the information because the homeowner may not know. So try it out and comment below what you have found and other unique ways that you can use ChatGPT for your benefit. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home maintenance tips and more tips to using technology.